So I documented what I ate in a week just to see how I actually really eat. Cause my friends be like, Adanna, eat too much. And I'm like, how? Anyways, I'll be showing you guys what I eat day to day, how I cook and prep some of my meals, and also the real moments when I feel too lazy to cook. Just to be clear, I'm not eating for weight loss or weight gain or trying to be aesthetic. If that's what you're looking for, go to Pinterest. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Also, help me get out of 170 plus subs, please.
I've been stuck here for so long. Probably because I've not been posting. Anyways, let's get back to the video. I finally had the courage to do this video because I had a very long vlog. This vlog was 30 minutes plus and it just vanished. Of course, just uninstalled. My eyes really clear, like I was like, what day? We have like a movie night, so we're going to go to prepare like very small, no chop to eat while watching the movie, and we're going to make guacamole and chips. I'm also going to make fruit salad. Yeah, some transition right now. Okay, let's go and make the food. This is our first time buying Abby eating pomegranate. Pomegranate. I don't think you're supposed to cut it.
I said it. If I'm supposed to cut it, then what am I supposed to do?
I'm supposed to eat the seed. You guys, this is the last fruit that we have to put, but we don't know how to cut this. Maybe we're giving it turn by turn. Nta. You eat. You know, give the next person. Okay.
I'm testing.
Two hours later.
You guys can hear me very well, but I had to increase the volume of the TV so that my siblings can hear me cooking the egg, frying the egg, because I've really not eaten anything since today. We just ate that fruit and I'm hungry, and they are saying that nobody should eat until it's movie nights, like we will eat for movie nights, and I know it too. I did not eat before we went to church. Like I've just been on an empty stomach, and they're telling me that I should not eat until movie night time. She just opened her YouTube channel. Cheers, guys. Hi guys, she has finished the guacamole and some chips.
Even with better picture, where in my home? Come on, again. TikTok. Let's move in nice to me, then I'll come back. Volume.
Today I had work and I woke up so late. My siblings made pancakes and egg for breakfast, and by this time I was just wishing that I was not even going to work. But I was not really feeling the food, so I just packed an apple for lunch and headed to work. Bye guys. Having apple for lunch was the worst idea, so I came back home and had cereal with my brother. Decided to cook some egusi soup because I was craving something that had flavor and was so spicy, so I had to put my fish and everything, and that was what I ate for the night, and I called it a day. Hey guys, today is Tuesday and today we have an activity. We're headed to the mall today because my sister's birthday is on Friday. The twins, their birthday is on Friday. So we just want to get some dresses. We also woke up very early today. We woke up I woke up by 8 and my siblings woke up earlier than that. And because I was so tired from work yesterday, we were going to make breakfast and it's 11 and the breakfast is nowhere to be found. I can't even find the food. I'm so hungry, guys. Really. Hey guys, so I made oats for breakfast, and just because I wasn't really feeling the food, I just had to manage it because I did not have anything planned for lunch this day and I was also heading to work. So I came back from work really tired, still haven't eaten anything, but I still had to braid my sister's hair for their birthday shoot. Guys, is it just me or my sister will just behaving like a dog lately? Anyways, these are the pictures we took. So I just started boiling the spaghetti. And I'm about to cook this, but I want to do this one first before I do it because I do want to boil some eggs and make chicken. So my sister wants to eat this. Well, like, cause we got this ever since. But I'm just making it now so we could use it for breakfast tomorrow.
They've told me before.
Hey guys, so today I ate pasta for breakfast. I was trying to be on time for work, so when I got there I was like already an hour early and decided to eat it in the car. During my break I ate fruit and also ate the other pasta that I made last night. I did not also have anything for dinner because when I ate my lunch was at a later time, so I was filled already. This is how the cake is looking like. This is our baker. You already finished it. You want to finish the icing. What happened to it?
If you don't like it, scrape it out of your.
What should do the body of this?
Well, we're talking to mommy.
No more.
The second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom, also the
you guys are mad. And you turned 2024.
Here's my perform, guys.
I've seen this approach has been small, but I beg, please. Lays.
Note taking of anything. Very summary. I don't know if you can hear me, but I got baked potatoes and grill.
So it's going to be like
It's the big box.
I'm like, I thought it was so sweet.